what you need to know about Freedom Debt Relief. Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with inaccurate credit reporting, debt collection harassment, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'll be talking about Freedom Debt Relief. Now, Freedom Debt Relief is a debt consolidation or debt management company. They've been around since 2011. They're based out in California, and they've been sued almost 150 times for violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Better Business Bureau has 392, almost 400 complaints, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has over 200 complaints about them. These guys are not a good actor. Now, they're required to follow the law. What does this mean? What laws are they required to follow? Well, Chapter 394 of the Texas Finance Code. For anybody they handle or anybody they deal with in Texas, for all you Texans out there watching this, Chapter 394 of the Texas Finance Code says they cannot offer you credit. They cannot give you an incentive or prize or some kind of an award for signing up with them. They cannot waive your right to a jury trial in a case brought against them. There's a bunch of other things. I've got a top 10 list that I'm putting in another video. Now, the second law that applies to them is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Yeah, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, they don't engage in credit reporting typically, but the Fair Credit Reporting Act says that an entity, and typically this is credit card companies, can pull your credit information to make you a firm offer of credit. That means the credit card applications you get in the mail, those are firm offers of credit. But Freedom Debt Relief is prohibited from offering you credit, so they can't make you a firm offer of credit. But they are still able to access your credit information, and that's how they know who to send their letters to. They know people who are in financial trouble, and they send them these letters. And they're able to identify those people because they have your credit information. They've obtained it illegally. Now, they may have attained it from TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax, but probably not. They probably bought it from a reseller. That still is access that is impermissible. And there's still a case you can bring under the Fair Credit Reporting Act if they're accessing your credit information impermissibly. Look, if you signed up with Freedom Debt Relief, or if you're getting letters from Freedom Debt Relief, it's because you're in financial trouble. Give us a call. We can help you out. We can sue Freedom Debt Relief if we find a case against them. We can sue debt collectors who harass you. We can defend you in credit card lawsuits or debt collection lawsuits. We're happy to help you. That's why we're here. Give us a call, and thank you for watching this video.